Hello everyone, just from Metalchaos Studio here. In this video I'm going to show you how I paint stained glass windows on Tabletop World's model. I'm currently painting the amazing couching in, and as you can see, I've already painted most of the building. In this example, I'm going to paint the stained glass with 4 Ripper MSP color: Brilliant Blue, Grass Green, Lava Orange, and Gem Purple. Since the model was already prime and black and gray, I will first paint the glass section with a pale beige color. Here I'm using Ripper MSP tan leather. This base coat will help give a lighter tone to the color I will apply next. You can also use brush-on primer. When the base coat is dry, I apply a first layer of each color. I will paint the glass lozenge with different colors to create a pattern. I will then repeat this pattern all over the window. Once everything is painted, give the paint some time to dry. Then if the paint is not completely opaque, you may want to apply another layer. Then I mix creamy ivory with each color to create lighter tones. I apply a little of this lighter tone color at the center of each matching color. Next, I add some more creamy ivory to the mix and repeat the same process. Finally, I make a dot of creamy ivory in each lozenge of the window. This will create a nice glass effect. After, I paint the metal bars with a black base coat. Here I'm using Ripper MSP Dragon Black. You will need to turn the model upside down to reach every corner. At this point, you may want to call it done, but in my example, I'm gonna add rust. I first hit the surface lightly with repeated taps of muddy brown color. I applied the paint with the side of the brush at random places on the metal bars. Then I used the same technique to apply pale orange and create a rust effect. And finally, I apply a tad of orange rust liquid pigments from Green Stuff World. To simulate the light coming from inside the building, I will glaze the window frame with the same color I used to paint the glass sections. This creates a multicolor object source lighting, or OSL for short. I use the same technique for the interior side of the windows. Some surfaces were harder to reach with a straight brush. So I used an old brush and I bent the tip in order to reach all the corners. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. You can also tell me what painting technique you would like me to talk about in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. This will encourage me to make more videos. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I will put the links in the description below. In the next video, I will show you how I paint stone on Tabletop World's model. Keep on painting and take care.